bridge over 301. I think it's called the Governor Nice-Middleton Memorial Bridge. We're going from Maryland into Virginia. This is the bridge that was recently replaced a couple of years ago. The original bridge was built in 1940 and was only one lane in each direction, which was a little bit scary. I don't think they anticipated how much traffic was going to eventually go over this bridge. Now with the advent of Easy Pass, no more toll booths. They just read your transponder electronically. If you look up there, they're the things that read the transponders. Boom, read our transponder and it took our money. See how the bridge curves off to the right up there? So the original bridge was a straight shot through, but they left the original bridge while they were building this bridge. So this one curves around a little bit. But the curve's so mild, it really doesn't make any difference. It just looks a little goofy from the air. We're crossing the Potomac River. We're going west into Virginia. So you got two lanes in each direction. That's kind of neat. There's the river. It's pretty much the top of the bridge. Dahlgren, Virginia. Nice, easy trip across that bridge. And there you are. Welcome to Virginia. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope to see everybody on the next one.